Hey guys, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily save WhatsApp status updates directly to your photos on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and head over to the status tab, which is at the bottom. Next, find the status you want to save. Tap on the status to open it. Once the status is open, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. You'll see a few options and you have to tap on the share button. And then you'll see an option that says save to photos. Tap that and boom, the status is now saved in your iPhone's photo app. Now open your photo app and under the recents you'll find the status that you just saved. Easy, right? And that's it. In just a few taps, you can save any WhatsApp status to your photos on your iPhone. Very simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.